Hi, how's it going everyone? Please welcome back to Learning English with TSK. For today's lesson, we still stick on the present simple tense, but we mainly focus on the uses of the present simple tense. When do we use it and why do we use it? Are you ready? Now, let's go. The uses of present simple tense. Use number one. We use the present simple tense to talk about something that is true in the present. Something that is true in the present. Okay? Example, I am 19 years old. For the last 2 years, for last year, you don't care about how old I was. But only at the present time, I am 19 years old. This is the present. It's true in the present. Okay? Do not think about the past. Do not think about the future. Just think about only in the present time. I am 19 years old. Right? Let's go to another one. She is a teacher. She is a teacher is also the present. We don't know about her job in the previous year. We don't know. She was a teacher. Okay, she was a nurse, she was a doctor, we don't know. But only at the present time, she is a teacher. So we use the present simple tense to talk about something that is true in the present. Think about the present. Another one, Mr. Kane lives in Phnom Penh. Mr. Kane lives in Phnom Penh. Why do we use S at the end of the verb? Because I told you to remember about the third person singular. Mr. Kane is a man, is one person. So you use he as a subject. Okay? So you say Mr. Kane lives in Phnom Penh. Number one, something that is true in the present. I am 19 years old. She is a teacher. Mr. Kane lives in Phnom Penh. Alright? Now, if you're clear, let's go to use number two. We use the present simple tense again to talk about something that happened regularly in the present. It doesn't happen only one time. Just only one time or two times, no. It happens regularly. The actions, something that happens regularly, not just only one time. Right? For example, my sister studies English at 5:30 p.m. It doesn't mean that she studies English just only one day. No. Example, she studies English, okay? 5 days a week from Monday to Friday. So she goes to school at 5:30 every day from Monday to Friday. Right? Not just only one day or 2 days. My sister studies English at 5:30. Please take note about IES here. You remember, in fact, the word study is S-T-U-D-N-Y. But when we use with the third person singular, as I told you, you have to look at the end of the verb. Is it Y? Yes. And before Y, do we have consonant or vowel? Please check it out. D is a consonant. That's why we cannot just change Y and plus S. So change Y to I and add ES to the verb. I hope you will understand it and you still remember it. Are you clear? Sure. Now, my sister studies English at 5:30 p.m. I play soccer every weekend. Look at the word I play. Why we don't use s at the end of the verb? Look at the subject. I is not the third person singular. Verb plus s or es, not just used with the present simple. It used with the present simple and also the subject third person singular. So what happens if we use the present simple, but the subject is I, we, you, and they? There is no s. Remember? Okay, sure. Now, I play soccer every weekend, not only one weekend, every weekend. The action I play soccer is just not only one day, not only one weekend, every weekend. Okay, Saturday and Sunday. My dad drinks coffee every morning. Look at the verb drink. Why do we use s after the verb drinks? The reason is look at the subject. Where is the subject? My is not the subject. How about that? My dad. We use he, stand for that. So he is one of the third person singular. That's why we add s. Clear? My dad drinks coffee every morning, not just only one morning, every morning. Action happens regularly. Okay? Example number 4. My parents work at home on Sundays. My parents work at home on Sunday. So why we don't use s here? We go to the rule again. Let's see the subject. Where's the subject? My is the subject? No. So which one is the subject? Parents. Think about the word parents. If we talk about dad, just only one person. If we talk about mom, just only one person. But if you talk about parents, both of them. When both of them, we use they, stand for parents. That's why no s at the end of the verb. Clear? My parents work at home on Sundays. From Monday to Saturday, we don't know where do they work. We don't know. But only on Saturdays. Saturdays with s, it means every Saturday, not just only one Saturday. Okay? Sunday plus s, it means every Sundays, not only one Sunday. Okay? For example, my parents work at home on Sundays. Now look at the use of number 3. Number 3, we use the simple tense to talk about something that is always true, not changing, just always like a nature. For example, the human body contains 206 bones. Even me, even all the people in the world, okay? Even Cambodian people, even American, even Australian, plus all the human beings, they have 206 bones. It doesn't change. It doesn't mean that today we have 206 bones, but in the future, maybe there is more technologies and then the bone is rising. It goes to 208 bones. No way. Why? Because this is true all the time. Something true all the time. Let's go to another one. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. This is a fact. This is true. The sun rises in the east. It's true, okay? Absolutely true. It cannot rise in the west. It cannot rise in the south. It cannot rise in the north, okay? So it rises in the east. So today I'm going to explain you the 3 uses of the present simple tense use. Okay? So before ending for today's video. I would like to advise you to study at home to the best of your ability and do not use your time for nothing. Okay? You have to remember that education is your priceless treasure. One more thing. If you want to see more video related to the 12 English basic form, especially the education field, please don't forget help subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. See you for the next video.